Hey there everybody! When a new Close to My Heart catalog is released, I get a look at all of the new collections and some fun things in the catalog. So I just wanted to open my box with you today to share all of the beautiful things that are inside, including this amazing catalog for January and February. So let me take out my products. And as you can see, this is a really big box, and there's a reason for that. We get it out of the way. Hooray! Take a look at these new goodies. Here is the January and February catalog. Look at that gorgeous image on the front. And this is why my box is so big, is because I have one of these included in it. So let's take a look. So first up, this is the Craft with Heart subscription. You guys have seen me create with this in the past. There is a scrapbooking subscription as well as a new card subscription. So be sure to check that out. This is the Spruced Up Collection, which I have here to show you. Wintry, beautiful greens and cranberry colors with white. Lots of pretty embellishments. And as always, gorgeous stamps. I love that they give you project inspiration in these catalogs as well. So if you can't come up with a good idea, you can take a look in here. You can also get the Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. So it makes creating these pages super simple and easy. This is the card making workshop. So if you'd rather create cards with the collections, then this is a great thing to purchase. This is what I'm really excited about. Celebrate Today. Take a look at those gorgeous colors. I just love them. I love the florals. I love the florals with the birthday theme. It's so fun. Especially that paper. Take a look at that. And we will have a look at that in person. There's some really great stamp sets in here. The Celebrate Today Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. And the Card Making Workshop Kit. And then they always have some great patterns in their mix-ins. I love that layout, it's so pretty. And then here are some new great stamp sets. So you'll definitely want to get your hands on one of these catalogs because like I said, there's so many great inspirational pieces in here. Take a look at that pocket page. Super excited about that. I love this. My daughter would love that. This is a really cool rainbow set. Look, you can make that interactive and turn that around. Love that. Rainbow Wishes. This is Choose You. What a great one for Valentine's Day. Super beautiful. So many great things to look at in here. Oh, I love those. Okay, so these are the All-Around Creativity Special, and it's to celebrate National Paper Crafting Month. So you can create these for your wall, and the kit comes with all of these pieces here, so you can just choose your words. Be kind, create, grateful, and stay a while. We're going to take a look at that. This is also awesome. This is the Oh My Heart, let's see, exclusive paper packet and stamp set. And then it says, ask your consultant about the workshop project that will guide you in using these materials to create all of the artwork shown below. How amazing is that? So you can get a whole class knocked out with one kit. But look at this Oh My Heart collection. This is so great just for Valentine's Day. Okay, so why don't we take a look at the actual product that I have here. So this is Spruced Up. Let me move these other things so we can just take a look at one thing at a time. Let's take a look at the patterns here. Love that pretty stripe. And a really nice white wood grain. Some trees. And here's the sticker sheet. Love that big winter word. That's really cool. cute deer. That's a really pretty tree too. So there's Spruced Up. Let's see, I think this is just the extra pattern paper that I have here. Yep. Let's take a look at the die cuts. So we have Snow Fun all bundled up, some pretty leaves, some snowflakes, a tree or two, little cup, and a deer. Those are really pretty. Then we have some pocket cards. What is life but one grand adventure? That's really cool. Let's take a look at the big ones first, so I can lay those out for you. Some deer, outdoor adventure, pine boughs, some leaves. Days don't come better than this. That's a nice one. That's a cool geometric. Enjoy the view. I love how they do them horizontally and vertically too. Pretty deer. Oh, I love that pattern. Love it in both colors actually. Trees and over the river and through the woods. So those are the 4x6s. Okay, here's What is Life But a Grand Adventure. Pine, discover, some leaves, more leaves. Escape the indoors. That's a cool one. Really cool geometric. Snowflakes, trees, a wreath, another cool geometric, and today. So those are pretty awesome. Those are the Picture My Life cards for Spruced Up. And I also have a stamp set to show you for Spruced Up. This one's really pretty. So cozy, beautiful moments. This is the scrapbooking one. So it has bigger words. You could use that for a title. Really pretty log cabin, some deer, trees. Really pretty. Okay, so that's what I have for Spruced Up. Oh, I also have the coordinating cardstock, which is always an awesome part of Close to My Heart collections, is that you know that everything is going to coordinate. And I think that one is for the next one I'm going to show you actually. Here's the Spruced Up cardstock. So greens, browns, some gray, some deep cranberry colors. Okay. Let's take a look at Celebrate Today. So these are the coordinating cardstocks for Celebrate Today. Let's take a look at the pattern papers, which I'm super excited about. That floral is just gorgeous. And on the back side of the floral is this pink design, which I can't get it apart here. So the floral and the pink. Then I just love this one. How gorgeous is that? With the plaid, some dots with the sprinkles. And here are the stickers. Massive words for titles, which is awesome. I love that big cake. I love this Celebrate. It's just really, really cool. Such a great color scheme. It's just bright. Hopefully you can tell in the video just how bright and cheerful it is. Okay. Let's see what matching embellishments we have. These are so pretty. Vellum die cuts. So leaves and flowers and butterflies and just little strips that you can put on everything, and they have that really cool texture of vellum. Love that. These are the Picture My Life cards, and I think I'm gonna love these if I can get them out of the packet. I accidentally turned them. Okay, here we go. Take a look at these. Oh my goodness. Hooray. Happy day. Ooh, with the pink on the back. Yellow, green, time to party. Love that one. striped. How beautiful you have grown. That's really sweet. Love it. Oh, that one's so pretty. I think that belongs on a Disney layout for me. Plaid, big dots, looking good. That would be good on a card. And some banners. And for the smaller ones, we have the Treat Yourself Cupcake. Yay. Oh, that one's cool. Yay, yay, yay. Teal, pink, plaid with a flower, some really fun balloons, stripes, candles, another day, another yay. Pink, green, blue, so pretty. Celebrate and just want to have fun. So those are the Celebrate Today Picture My Life cards. Let's see what else we have here. Let's see. Oh, these are the mix-ins. Let's see what we have here. Oh, that's a really cool pattern. Oh, that's a happy one too. Teal and green. So these usually coordinate with both collections, but they're always such usable patterns. Hearts. Oh, I love that green too. That's pretty. Those are really fun. So those were the mix-ins. Then this says Celebrate Today Coordinating cardstock. So let's see what colors are here. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at that. So there's black, pink, teal, blue, yellow. Just love those. And let's take a look at the stamp, because this is awesome for all sorts of things. This is a scrapbooking stamp, but you could certainly use this on a card, especially if you wanted to make a really big saying on a card like cheers, happy birthday. This banner is really cool. I could see that on the top of a scrapbook layout. Super fun. I love this Make-A-Wish too. Oh, I think I missed these spruced up wood shapes. Oh, so cute. There's a little log cabin, there's trees, there's deer, there's birds, arrows, all sorts of fun things. And then there's some enamel dots that match the Spruced Up collection as well. Okay, let's check out this all-around creativity kit. I think this is going to be an awesome project for me to create here in the spring, because I've just taken, you know, all of my Christmas stuff down and the house just looks so bare right now. So I need a little something up to bring some joy. Look at how cool that is. So these are really gorgeous, and they make the project look so three-dimensional. Especially look at that bow, and you create the bow with just these. I find that amazing. Let's see what else is in here to play with. So there's the leaves and the big bow. So fun. So you create this amazing like three-dimensional bow. And then here's some flowers. And I love the Close to My Heart, makes it easy. Okay, so I'm so excited to show you this. This is the All-Around Creativity Wreath Kit from Close to My Heart. I just want to show you what you get in the kit. Look at this awesome booklet. It shows you all of the assembly instructions step by step, which I just love. They have all of the flowers and things perfectly labeled, so it's easy for you to figure everything out. These massive, gorgeous leaves that you make three-dimensional, and a big bow, which I just love. And then you get different patterns that you can put on your background, because not everybody loves the same colors or patterns. So I have dots, I have stripes, I have big dots, and a floral. And I'm so excited about this. I have the create word. So as soon as I get back from Creativation, this is going to go on my list of fun things to do, which I'm super excited about. So be sure to check out all of the new products in the January, February Close to My Heart catalog at the link in my video notes. You can also take a look at this catalog online. You can find a demonstrator near you to hook up with so that you can get one of these in your hands. It's full of inspiration and beautiful things. So check out all of the new products that I've shown you today. They're available January and February, you guys, so don't miss out. Have a great day and happy creating with your Close to My Heart products.